The next step is outlined in the same location, except this time under Manage SIP Extensions. You're then going to go to the plus button on the top right hand side, and it's going to list out 4 fields in which we have to fill out. Zima CCAS is registering as a SIP device or a phone to handle and route calls for Zima CCAS. This information is found on the RingCentral Avaya Cloud Office portal, as outlined here. By this point, we'd expect you to have a few extensions for the exclusive use of Zima CCAS. Keep in mind, this extension is not for the contact center agent itself, but rather for the routing and handling of those calls for contact center agents. You'll find those here under Phone System, Phones and Devices, User Phones, and they'll be listed out here. I have a few for the purposes of the demonstration, but you should have at least 3 extensions, 1 load balancer, and then 2 others, for a minimum of 8 simultaneous calls. For more information on how this works and how it's calculated, please look at our support site. Traditionally, you'll have at least 3 ACO RingCentral handsets for the exclusive use of Zima CCAS. I'm going to show you how to configure one of these, and then I'll leave it to you to do the rest. Starting with Zima CCAS LB, stands for load balancer. Click on Bring Your Own Device, click Next. You'll need to select the emergency location from the dropdown. Select the device. It's not an actual device that's listed here on the portal, so you'll need to set up manually using SIP. You can use TLS 1.2. I won't in this demonstration, so I'm going to click No. Make sure the outbound proxy matches, and go through and copy and paste all of this information over. Recall the fields in question. Pretty much copy and paste over into this section. Pro tip for you, you may consider copying all that information over to a notepad, as to eliminate all of the spaces when you copy and paste it over to Zima CCAS. Once it's all copied over, click Save, and it's going to prompt you to say the primary node help node will restart. Continue? Okay. Initially, it's going to start out by saying not registered. This is expected. Just wait a minute or so, and Zima CCAS should then be registered with Avaya Cloud Office RingCentral. And there you have it. You are registered. So depending upon how many simultaneous calls you need to manage, you need to do that for each individual handset that you've allocated for the use of Zima CCAS.